Looking for a fun and easy Christmas craft idea? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of Christmas ornaments made from ordinary pipe cleaners and inexpensive acrylic beads. Simple, yet impressively beautiful, these little gems are a joy to create for crafters young and old. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, you'll find these ornaments a delightful addition to your Christmas tree. So get ready to create some sparkling ornaments for your Christmas tree. First, gather all the necessary materials. At the heart of this festive craft are two types of beads and pipe cleaners. Let's start with the beads. We're focusing on sunburst beads and tri-beads. The sunburst beads, also known as paddle wheel, snowflake, or starburst beads, have 6 faceted paddles that interlock beautifully when strung together. The tri-beads, or propeller beads, are marked by their 3 rounded bumps that also interlock when strung consecutively. For the most attractive ornaments, opt for these beads in translucent hues of red, green, and clear. Metallic gold and silver tri-beads also add a splendid touch. Now, onto the pipe cleaners. These can be found in silver and gold tinsel as well as chenille in all colors. For our Christmas craft, we recommend metallics and traditional Christmas colors. Keep in mind, the beads will cover the pipe cleaners, but the ends will show when twisted into hangers. Once you have all your materials ready, we can begin crafting. Now it's time to string the beads on the pipe cleaners. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The process is straightforward, yet there's a certain charm to it that makes it quite enjoyable. Begin by selecting a pipe cleaner in your desired color. Silver and gold are always festive, but don't hesitate to bring in a pop of red or green. Now, before we get too excited and start sliding on those beads, remember to bend up the end of the pipe cleaner. This will act as a stopper, keeping your beads from sliding off. Next, it's all about the beads. Whether you're using sunburst or tri-beads, the process remains the same. Simply slide the beads onto the pipe cleaner. It's as easy as that. However, to create a visually captivating ornament, consider alternating colors or creating a pattern. This could be as simple as a red-green-red sequence, or perhaps a more complex pattern using clear red and green beads. The metallic gold and silver tri-beads can also add a touch of sparkle and elegance to your ornaments. So don't shy away from mixing and matching different bead types. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about letting your creativity shine. Continue stringing the beads until your pipe cleaner is almost full, leaving just enough space at the end to bend it and secure the beads. And there we have it. With your beads strung, you're ready to shape your ornaments. Enjoy this part, the magic is just beginning. With your beaded pipe cleaners, you can now create a variety of Christmas shapes. Your imagination truly is your only limit. Let's start with a classic shape, the candy cane. It's as simple as alternating red and clear beads on your pipe cleaner, then bending one end down to create that distinctive cane shape. Voila! You've just made a charming candy cane ornament. Now, how about a festive wreath? Begin by alternating red and green beads on your pipe cleaner. Once you've filled it up, bring the 2 ends together to form a circle. To secure your wreath, twist the ends of the pipe cleaner together. To add a finishing touch, use a piece of red pipe cleaner to form a small bow and attach it to your wreath. It's a delightful little ornament that exemplifies the spirit of the season. But don't stop there. Let's also explore some other shapes. How about a sparkling star? Simply string clear beads on a silver pipe cleaner, then bend and twist it into a star shape. Or perhaps a jolly snowman. String white beads onto your pipe cleaner, then bend it into 3 connected circles. Use a little piece of orange pipe cleaner for the carrot nose and black beads for eyes and buttons. The possibilities are endless. Once you've shaped your ornaments, you'll want to display them proudly. To do this, you can either form a hanger by twisting the ends of the pipe cleaner into a loop, or simply slip the circle of your ornament over a branch of your Christmas tree. Remember, there's no wrong way to create these ornaments. Some may prefer symmetrical patterns, while others might enjoy a more random arrangement of beads. The beauty of this craft lies in its flexibility and the personal touch each artisan brings to their creation. Now you have beautiful, homemade Christmas ornaments. Each one is a unique piece of art, a testament to your creativity. Not only have you created something beautiful, but you've also made memories that will last a lifetime. Enjoy this craft, and most importantly, have a very Merry Christmas. Feel free to experiment with different bead combinations and shapes. That's the beauty of this craft. The possibilities are boundless. You're not just confined to the traditional red, green, and clear beads. Why not try an assortment of colors? Imagine a Christmas tree decorated with ornaments in a rainbow of colors. Wouldn't that be a sight to behold? You can even play around with the types of beads. Remember those sunburst beads we talked about earlier? They create an interlocking pattern when strung consecutively, giving your ornaments a unique and intricate look. Or the tri-beads, with their rounded bumps that also interlock when strung together. They catch the light beautifully, adding to the festive sparkle of your Christmas tree. And let's not forget about the pipe cleaners. They're not just for stringing the beads. You can twist and bend them into various shapes. How about a snowflake ornament made with silver pipe cleaners and clear beads? Or a star ornament using gold pipe cleaners and metallic beads? The metallic sheen of the pipe cleaners combined with the translucent beads can make your ornaments look like they're glowing from within. You can even get the kids involved. Let them come up with their own bead combinations and shapes. It's a great way to keep them entertained during the holiday season. Plus, it's a fun way for them to contribute to the Christmas decorations. The best part about this craft is that it's not just for Christmas. You can use this idea for other holidays and occasions as well. Imagine creating heart-shaped ornaments for Valentine's Day, or egg-shaped ones for Easter. The possibilities are truly endless, so go ahead and give it a try. Mix and match different bead colors and types. Experiment with different shapes. Let your creativity shine through. You might just come up with a new holiday tradition. Bead and pipe cleaner ornaments are a delightful Christmas craft you will find yourself using every year. Happy crafting!